Meaning of heaven.
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 Heaven. Heaven typically refers to a place or realm that is believed to be beyond the physical world and is associated with concepts such as divinity, purity, and transcendence. It is often viewed as an idealized realm of peace, happiness, and eternal life after death. The concept of heaven can be found in various religious and cultural beliefs around the world. In general, it represents a form of human longing for something greater or better than the ordinary experience of life on earth, a place of ultimate fulfillment and spiritual perfection.